Hello, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are first time watching my channel, remember to click the subscribe button and also remember to like the video because it gives me more motivation to do more unboxing video with you guys, and also remember to click the notification bell so that each time I upload a video you'll be notified. Okay, first, I would like to say thank you very much to all my new subscriber. Yeah, those guys that you subscribe to my channel. Yeah, I really appreciate very much. And yeah, I would like, if let's say possible, if you think that you have any of your friends who like to watch this kind of unboxing video, remember to share with your friends and my video out, and also remember to like my video. Okay, today as you can see I got another unboxing video to share with you guys, which I bought last weekend. Yeah, this is you can see from the paper bag and the heading, this is by Off-White by Virgil. Yeah, and this is the paper bag that I received, which is very beautiful. Yeah, and I shall share with you guys this paper bag. If you can see, yeah, this is like Off-White. Here we write Virgil, and especially made for Off-White Singapore. And this is the address of the Off-White boutique. Yeah, and if you guys are coming to Singapore, you can go to this boutique, which is the men's boutique Off-White in Singapore. Yeah, and this is at 268 Orchard Road, Unit 01-01, Singapore 238856. Yeah, and okay, and I would like to share with you guys also another new Off-White boutique that is just open. I guess is last 1 or 2 weeks, but that is for ladies, Off-White ladies in Singapore. That is also at Orchard Road. Okay, if you guys here, you can visit the new boutique also. It's at it's not in the same building as this Off-White men's boutique. It will be at Paragon. It's also very near to this boutique. So it's just like maybe the further down the next 2 building, which you can quite easily check out the boutique using Google Maps. Yeah. So okay, so we shall unbox with this. First of all, I shall show you guys nearer this paper bag. Yeah. Before I unbox it, yeah. So this one they return the Off-White, then the Singapore address, the boutique of this Singapore address. Yeah, and on the back, there is just a simple this. So this paper bag is specially designed and made for the Singapore customer when you bought anything from them. So to me, it's like this bag is like a so-called collector item, because I'm not sure whether other boutique you write the address from the other part of the world, but for here Singapore is come with this, and the bag is on this, and it's like something like a very light green color. Yeah, okay, so we shall start with today unboxing, and they tie on the very nice same the ribbon here. Yeah, on the side on the back. Yeah, and they written Off-White. Yeah, okay, so we shall start with today unboxing. So actually this is also a very nice ribbon, yeah, but it's just written Off-White, virgilabloh, yeah, on this ribbon, yeah, okay. So are you guys excited? Can you guys guess what did I got it? Okay, actually this is how, let me share with you first. Okay, then this is the item that I got it. Yeah, actually, Off-White, they do not provide a box which is quite sad because to me it's like if you buy such an expensive item, normally I wish that they would give us a box so that for us it will be easy to store it when you are not using the item. Yeah, but this one especially I request from the SA. So they given me, this is just like you can see, this is like it's just a plastic box. To me, it's this style of transparent plastic box. It's nice, but then it's not lasting. Yeah, so on this side of the box, actually, this side of the box, they written here off-white. Then they written as off-white define the gray area between white, black and white as the color off-white. So off-white is in between, it's just like gray, but they're not using gray, but they're using off-white. So basically here, then they written here box and off-white here. Okay, so before I show you guys the item, let me show you nearer about this box so you guys can see. So this is written on the transparent box off-white here. Then here written a box, and here write off-white. And yeah, that's all. It's just a very plain box. Okay? Yeah. So I shall show you guys this item that I got it. Basically, something which I also don't really like about this is because, okay, this is, they given me this one as the dust bag, which I think is not being released yet because, okay, so this is the dust bag. It's just like this box. You guys can see this. It's just like this transparent box. Okay. So this is the dust bag, which they written also same as the off-white gray area between, and also here just write plastic bag and here written off-white. So this is the dust bag. Basically, I still prefer the traditional those cloth dust bag given by all the other brands, because this is like it's quite sticky, and I think it doesn't really protect the goods. Especially I bought this is full leather. Yeah, so I shall show you the dust bag first. So this is the dust bag they given. They put here accessory, and this is the off-white, and also here written plastic bag. Yeah, and here written off-white. Okay, so this is the dust bag. Oh, I forget to tell you guys today I'm wearing this Versace sweater. Yeah, if you guys not yet watched my video previous unboxing on Versace, you can check out my previous video which I unboxed this top from there. And I was wearing this is from Kenzo. Yeah, Kenzo track pants. It's on the side, you can see here written Kenzo Paris. Yeah. Okay. So we shall share with you this item that I got. Okay, basically, okay, this item is come with full leather. So to me it's like it's very good because most of off-white bag are so-called like cloth or also canvas, something like that, but this is full leather, which I like it very much. So it'll be lasting and also so-called evergreen design. Because this is basically a very simple black leather bag. Yeah, this is like so-called the cuff leather. But I asked them, they say it's 100% leather. But I guess from what I see, this is like should be so-called like cuff leather. Yeah. Okay, so basically it comes with also a leather strap. This is the leather strap. Yeah, you can see here is like the typical danger zone alert that this is the on the shoulder. So it comes with this full leather strap, which I quite like it. Okay. So not only that, let me share with you guys. Okay, so it's also come with another stripe, which is the industrial stripe, which is the very typical off-white stripe. Yeah, it comes with it. Later I show you guys. This is in black. Okay, so let me remove all the tissue. Okay, so basically it come with what is all this, the tag that is like is on most of the off-white item, the rubber tag here, all this. Yeah, I show you. This is like this one. It's like the a bit green. This is all the rubber on the instruction and care booklet. Yeah, this is like the care booklet. Yep. Okay, so it comes with this tag, which I think is I think it's just a tag. Yeah. Okay, it's just a red tag. I'm not sure what is this. Yeah. Okay. So okay, and also we come with this clip. So it come with this clip, but this clip it can't be removed. So but it is so called come with the leather attached to this paper clip. Yeah, binder clip. So this one will be like you can display it here. It is in full black. Yeah. So this is how it should be. Let me show you nearer, then I put it on. Yeah, this is the binder clip, and it's supposed to be put on here. Yeah. So it is attached with this, so you won't lose it. Yeah. So this is how it's supposed to be look like. And basically, let me show you guys this one. This is the front part. There is a portion which you can put some card holder or etc. on it. Yeah, this is how the clip is supposed to be, and you just hide this one inside. Yep. Oh, okay. Let me show. Since I'm so near, I shall show you. So on the back, you can put this one using this leather to put as the so-called like the on the waist pouch. Yeah, you can, because I bought this because it got two functions. Because firstly, you can use this as a bum bag. Yeah, and also you can use as a crossbody sling bag. So basically, this is the front part I show you, and back there is two portions where you can attach the leather. So, and this is the so-called the zip, and beside there is two metal slots for you to put the sling. And here return is off-white here. Yeah, this is like rubber on it. Yeah. So inside, basically, there is one side pocket without zip and written off-white made in Italy. Yeah, and main label. I'm not sure whether, because it's quite small here. Yeah, basically it's just inside like this with a side pocket. Yeah. Okay, so let me show you guys. Okay, so it come with this. As I mentioned, the stripe for you to cross body, and this is the industrial stripe that is like they sell as a belt usually, and also on the sling of the bag on the back. But this is in black, so actually you can see it, but it must be quite close. But people will see this one, they will know it's off-white because this is their typical design for their stripe. Okay, so let me put it on and show you guys. Okay, actually when you put it on, there is like three hole, so you can just choose the hole whether how long or short, but you only 3 holes, so on both sides. So this is how you go through it. Yeah, actually this one I nearly put on this is like the open the zip, but actually it's below. Yeah, so it's almost quite similar. Okay, so here it goes. So this is the camera bag that I got. So it comes with this link. Yeah, so yes, and this is the main collection. I guess this is the latest collection. So this is how I will carry it. I'll just link it in front here. Yeah, so yeah, can you guys see it? Yeah. So it'll be in this way. So it's for me, quite easy for me to take anything out. Yeah. And okay, let me show you the other stripe. This stripe you can only use as the so-called like the waist pouch. You can't put it on because this one side is in this whole one, and this one, the other one is with this. So it's different, you can't put it on it. So unless, I guess in future, from what I know, they're going to sell another new stripe, so you can buy separately in the future. But actually now it's very fashion. You can even buy other brands like Givenchy and also like Fendi. They do also sell separately. Yeah. So it's really up to individual on your own creativity. Yep. So let me show you this, how it should go. Okay, this strap at least one is leather, but the other one is not leather. So okay, let me just roughly show you. So this is how it goes. So you can put on this way on your waist. Yep. So yeah, so this is how you go about. So if you will not using the other one, you can just use as a waist pouch. Yeah, so this way, and if not, you can put on this link to use as a crossbody camera bag. Yeah. So, and actually this one, I guess if let's say, let me try it, because the SA told me actually if you want, you also can use this. Then you also can wear as a crossbody bag, but it's really up to your own preference. So, example, it will be in this way. So it will be more shorter. Yeah, this one will be more shorter. Yes, if you or else you can put on your waist. Yeah, as a belt bag. Yeah, if not, you can. Yeah, this is how it can go about. Or else you need longer. You can use this one. Yes, so it will be this way. So it's really up to you. So to me, this bag, the reason I got this bag is because I find that it's very flexible, and also the design is very versatile. So yeah, so that's why I got this bag. Yes. Hope you guys like my today unboxing of this off-white camera bag. Yeah. And remember to click the subscribe button. And also remember to give me a thumbs up and click on the notification bell, so each time I upload a video you will be notified. And remember to share with your friends or your so-called people who you know that they will like this kind of unboxing video, because I will try to upload a new video every single week. Okay, remember, yeah, thank you very much for subscribe to my channel, and please remember to share with your friends on my channel. Yeah, okay, goodbye. See you all guys in the next video. Bye bye, take care.